Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the audio track on your Netflix account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type netflix.com and hit on enter right now. Now as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not logged in, do log in right now. In case you're facing any issues while logging in, we have also created a video regarding that. Now let's begin. Right here there are lots of movies and series available here. Let's just say I want to play this movie right here. Simply click on the movie right here. It's gonna open up like this. Now for instance, I want to change the audio track. So here's what we can do about it. Right here, almost at the bottom right of the section, you will find a message like icon right here. Simply hover over it and a pop-up like this will open up showing audio and subtitles. From here you can change the audio track. Let's see, there's Hindi, German, Filipino. You can scroll down and choose any audio track of your choice. And do note that you can also change the subtitle track as well. Simply select whichever one you're satisfied with. And once everything's okay, just play the video. And guys, that's it. That's how easily you can change the audio track on your Netflix account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we change audio track on Netflix. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.